Let us suppose that you are an employee of an industry or a company. Being so, imagine this unfortunate situation where you have completed your work and you are on the way from your workplace to your home. On your return journey, you are met with an accident. You have suffered grave injuries which has led to physical disablements. In such case, can you claim compensation from your employer? Hoping that such a situation should never arise, let us find an answer to this question.
We have taken all things into consideration. We think this is the best. I wrote to him a letter from Nepal. And political and economic stamina. This is what I will. How can you deny save your life at the cost of the life of my people?
The Employees Compensation Act is a legislation that provides protection against injuries and death occurring to the employees. The Act provides for compensation in the case of injuries occurring to the employees by accident arising out of and in the course of employment. If you have missed the meaning behind the phrase accident arising out of and in the course of employment, then click on the link that is appearing on the top of the screen. For your ready reference, I have also mentioned the link in the description of this video. So, an employee is always eligible for a compensation in cases of accidents arising out of and in the course of employment. But is he eligible for compensation if accident happens on the way back to his home or on the way towards his work? To answer this, we have to understand the concept of notional extension of employer's premises. So, what does this concept say? The general rule is the employment of an employee doesn't commence until he has reached the place of the employment, and it doesn't continue when he has left the place of the employment. In other words, the journey to and from the place of employment is usually excluded. But this exclusion is subjected to the theory of notional extension of employer's premises. Such extension of definition covers the accidents that occurs when an employee is on the way to his place of work or when he is on the way to his home from the place of employment. Thus, the accidents that occur in the regular to and fro with regard to the employment are usually eligible for compensation. Such interpretation is based on the notional extension of employee's premises. Let me give you an example. An employee was murdered in a communal riot while he was coming to attend his work. It was held that his death has arisen during the course of his employment and he was also made eligible for the compensation. In another example, a bomb was placed in the premise of a workplace by some unknown person. Unfortunately, the bomb exploded and caused injury to an employee. It was held that the employee was not responsible for placing the bomb and the injury caused to him has occurred at the time and place of the employment. Hence, it was considered as a case of accident arising out of and in the course of employment and he was made eligible for compensation. Therefore, please remember this theory of notional extension of employer's premises because it is a very important theory that helps an employee to get compensation in case of any accidents occurring to him. Thanks a lot. We'll meet you again.